I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Lamborghini Urus Bonnet. First, locate the primary bonnet release lever. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often near the footwell or lower dashboard. Give it a firm pull to disengage the initial latch. You should hear a distinct click, and the bonnet will slightly pop up, indicating the first stage of release is complete. This is a crucial first step for safe access. Now proceed to the front of your Urus. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, allowing you to access the secondary safety latch. Carefully reach underneath the bonnet's leading edge, usually around the center. You will feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary release. Push or pull this mechanism, depending on its design, to fully disengage the final safety catch. This action will allow the bonnet to lift freely. With both latches released, gently lift the bonnet upwards. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the bonnet support mechanism. Many Urus models utilize gas struts that automatically hold the bonnet open. If your model has a manual support rod, carefully remove it from its clip and insert the end into the designated hole on the bonnet's underside. Ensure it is securely propped open before proceeding with any work. To close the bonnet, first remove the support strut if you used one and return it to its clip. Gently lower the bonnet, guiding it down until it is about 12 inches above the latching mechanism. Do not drop it from a great height. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the bonnet's front edge, directly above the latches. You should hear two distinct clicks as both latches engage securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.